up she's just as hot as a bikini one piece is now available in white. It's not one bit see-through. This bathing suit has that body molding fit. The monokini design is incredibly flattering. When you have to go to the bathroom, you can just pull it down in the back. Wicked supportive. It's got this line of stitching that runs under the bust. It's nice and thick. It's almost like a halter, but then it attaches to this tie down here. You get that support across your shoulders, support across the back. So much support. The monokini cutouts are perfectly placed. You basically get to disguise what you want to disguise and then showcase everything else. Double lined swimsuit fabric. Everything that's covered is nice and smooth. The outer layer is this sheer mesh. Such a hot look. It's like 3/4 coverage in the back, lightly cheeky. When you can't decide between a bikini and a one piece, this monokini is exactly what you do. It's literally perfect. Such a hot look. I'm gonna link it below.
Medium size to me. XL on tag pero pang medium lang talaga siya. Code 20. Okay, mine medium lock 20. O yours na to. 100. Screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ganon din siya. XL on tag pero maliit. 19. Yours kay 19. Okay, yours kay small kay. Kay 20 kay Madam ... 100. Colleen. Oh, sarap ng tinola kayo na. Tapos manok ng kapitbahay. Tapos maraming papaya. Ayan. Kay 19, kay small, para kay 100. Tinola, manok ng kapitbahay. Kay Lafayette. Sopa sana. Sopas. Ayan. Okay na. Next. Okay, next tayo. Another pa-tube. Size medium naman to. Bigad na nito sa picture. Ganito yung mga bet kong kulay, ma. Okay, medium size. Size medium on tag 100. Code ako 20. Code 20, 100. Kain tayo ng melon. Melon amoy. Charot. K100. Code 21 is small. Small nito. Code 21 is small niya. Three in 1. Wala ma. Konti na lang to. Konti na lang to pang hanger na. Pang ano na sa likod. Wala. Wala kay 21. Ay 21. Wala kay 21. Pang size small to ah. Tube extra small pa face mask cat Mima. 2 sellers na yung inabutan ko. Ba yung extra small dito? XL. Ito ba yung extra small? Ay, small lang B ang meron. Pa-face mask. Extra, ay small na. Size is small, 139. Ayan. May crochet, hand pick. Okay. Size extra small, 139. Code ng 2. Code ng 2. Size is small, 139. 139. Yung crochet, 549. Small. Small yon. Small. Aray. Size small yon, Miss A. Small. Meron din siyang XL. Sino pa? Meron din siyang XL. Sorry, kumain ako. Aray. Sino pa? 139. Small. Small. Ganyan yung naman ko. Di makita XL, sabi ni admin. Walang extra small nito. Puro small ata. Wait lang. Kalkalin ko lang sa small. Pwede ka ma-crochet. Wait lang. Miss A. 139. Ana Malistic. 34. Ayan, 139 ma. Wait lang, hanap lang ako extra small kung meron. Pang small lang kasi lahat to eh. Oh, puro small. Puro small be. Puro small. Thank you. PF to ha. PF to si Crochet. 549. Ayan o, pa-crochet. 549. Size small. Ayan. Size small. PF yan. Gets on yan? 549. Payment first. Code ng 2. Code to 549. PF yan. Code ng 2. Walaya. O, next. Wala mi. Pag PF, hindi na kami nagpapa-COD. Natuto na kami. May mga loko-loko kasi na miners namin dati. PNF namin yung, COD namin yung super rare, yung mga handpick. Ni-return niya, pero basahan yung dumating na sa amin. Okay, XL, di namin alam kung sa courier o sa kanya yon. Yes, nandito pa yung Madam Joy. Ami, one piece. Size XL. Size XL, size XL. Okay, 79. Code ka dito ng 26. Hi, Mare! True, kita man nag-transform naktatay nakakapote nak nga imay. Imbes ko mga agawra naktatay tangkini ka na. Wana, sira na ang plano. Okay, next. Okay, padres. Ayan, padres sung madamo. Fairy padded. Pa-fairy padded highway sanction, tipang XL. Size XL size. 79. Code ka dito ng 5. Code 5, code ng 579. 5 ang code, size XL. Pa-fairy cat, tangkini. Yours, Jocelyn. 79.